Hello dear student. Today we will start the chapter number 12. The name of our chapter number 12 is How Heavy, How Light. Now dear students, today we will start the very simple examples based on your kilogram and gram. Now see, here will be Jaju and Manu where are shifting the house. They loaded all their things in a horse cart. There were many things like a water tank, 5 sack of wheat, 3 almirah, and a 4 chair, and a 3 sack of rice, a bamboo ladder, and pots and pans. When they are ready to move a house, the horse refused on a start. They wondered why their father said that the horse was not well and would not be full of the load heavier. And then the 700 gram. Oh, but how heavy is this load? And they asked. It's a very wonderful story about your example is based on the kilogram and gram. Now that is what they are loaded. They are a thing of the house car. They are so many things are given to you. For an example, is a water tank, 5 sack of wheat, okay, 3 tables, and almirah and a 4 chair, okay, and a 3 sack of rice. These are given to you, okay, and out of this thing, this is when they are ready to move, the horse refused to start. The wondered why their father said that this horse will not be well and will not be pull a load heavier than the 700 kilogram. It means that the thing is are loaded, sack of wheat is our weight is are given to you. The thing is are loaded, a sack of wheat, a sack of rice, water tank, almirah, a table, a chair, a mattress, a bamboo leader, and the pots and pans. Okay. A sack of wheat is around 100 kg. A sack of rice is a 35 kg. Water tank is a 50 kg. Almirah is a 70 kg. A table is a 10 kg. Now see, listen here. Your chart is are given to you and thing is are given to you and the weight is also given to you, but where a condition is what, here condition is what given to you. The wondered by what their father said that the horse would not be well and would not be pull a load heavier than the 700 kilogram. It means that we have to do the addition of the kilogram. But how can we add it? Now see, listen here, a sack of a wheat, a sack of a rice, water tank, almirah, table, chair, bamboo leader, and the pots and pans is are given to you. The condition is are given to you. Just you have to using the simple addition and then you have to solve the example. And the question is also given to you. The question is what father gave them, okay, and the idea of the weight of the each of the thing, okay, and condition is what, find out the total weight they had loaded on the cart. It means that find the total weight. It means that the addition of all the weight. It means that the weight is are given to you by using the weight simple addition. We have to solve the simple addition and then we have to solve the example. And the next one is question is also what? Now they are decided to remove a few things, okay, from the card. It means what? From the card it means what? We have to which thing should be removed. Then the weight is are loaded is not more than the 700 kilogram. Okay, by using the given condition and then we have to solve the example. Okay. Now see, listen here. But how can we solve the example? Now see, listen here. Thing loaded. First of all, we have to draw the chart and the column 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. We have to write down the thing loaded is are given to you. Okay, and already given to you your workbook. A sack of wheat, a sack of wheat, and the weight of a sack of wheat is are given to you. This is 100 kg, and the number of atom is are given to you. This is 5. Okay. If the condition is are given to you, a sack of wheat, the weight of a sack of wheat is 100 kg, and the number of atoms is what 5. Next one is a sack of rice. A sack of rice, the weight of a sack of rice is given 35 kg and the number of atoms is given to you. This is our 3. Okay, and next we have to last one column we have to find the total weight. It means that the sack of wheat, the weight of a sack of wheat is given to you. This is 100 kg and the number of atom is given to you. This is our 5, and then we have to find out the total weight. Okay, but how can we find out the total weight? It means that simple example, this is our 5 multiplied by 100 is equals to 500 kilogram. Okay, because in the unit in the form of kilogram. Okay, that is why we have to write down in the form of kilogram. Next one is a sack of rice is 35 kg and the number of atom is given to you. This is our 3, and next we have to find out the total weight. It means that a sack of rice weight is 35 kg, number of atom is 3, so simple multiplication, this is our 3 multiplied by 35. Here will be 3 multiplied by 35, definitely your answer will become in 105 kilogram, because your unit will become in kilogram. Next one example is a water tank is 50 kg, because the number of atoms is only 1, that is why you have to write down the 1 multiplied by 50. This is our 50 kg. Next one is Almira, this is a 70 kg. Definitely this is the number of atoms is given to is only 1, because the 1 multiplied by 70 is equals to 70 kg. Next one is a table. Table is given to you. This is our 10 kg, and then total number of atom of a table is given. This is our 3. Definitely your answer will become in 10 multiplied by 3 is equals to what? 30 kg. Next one is a chair. The weight of a chair is given to you. This is a 5 kg, and the total number of atoms is given to you. This is a 4 kg, and the last one answer is what? Here will be 5 multiplied by 4 is equals to 20 kg. Next one is the 20 kg and the number of atom is what? 2. This definitely here will be 2 multiplied by 20 is equals to 40 kg. And the bombo leader is given 10 kg, number of atom is 1. Definitely here will be 1 multiplied by 10 is equals to 10 kg. And the pots and pans is given to you. This is a 10 kg and the last one is what? 10 kg, because the number of atom is only 1. Okay. It means that, but your question is what? Find out the total weight of the number of atoms. Find out the total weight. It means that you have to addition of your all these things. Okay, these are thing is already loaded now. That is why you have to addition. It means that the addition of a sack of wheat, sack of rice, water tank, almirah, table, chair, bombo leader, pots and pans. Okay, it means that we have to addition with the 500 kilogram, 105 kilogram, 50 gram, 70 gram, 30 kilogram, 20, 40 kilogram, 10 kilogram and 10 kg. Only we have to addition. Using the simple addition, we have to solve the example. Now next addition of the example. Now the solution of the example A, it means that we have to do a simple addition. This is a 500 is our add with 105 is our add with 50, 70, 30, 20, 40 and 10. Last one is also 10. Okay, now we start from the STO format. Definitely this is our last one is 5. Okay, next one is 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 3 is what? 15, 15 plus 2 17, 17 plus 4 is our 21, 21, 22 and 23 1 1. Okay, this is our 3 and the 2 is also carry. Okay, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8. Definitely your answer is what? The total weight of the thing is are loaded is are given to you. This is our 835 kilogram, because unit in the form of kilogram, that is why you have to write down in the form of kilogram. And the next one question is what? The weight is not loaded more than 700 kilogram. It means that we have to find out the rest of the remaining weight. It means what? The weight should be, now the second one solution of the second one example, the weight should be removed to make the weight is are equal to a 700 kilogram. It means that we have to using solve the example 835 we have to subtract is 700. Definitely your answer will become in 135 kilogram. Okay, now the rest of the thing, it means that what is the number of atoms are removed for the 135 kilogram. By using the chart, by using the table, the weight of a 3 sack of rice is are given to you. This is our 105 kilogram. Why? Because the weight of a sack of rice is are 35 kilogram and the number of atom is what? 3. It means that 35 multiplied by 3 is equal to 105 kilogram. Okay, it means that the weight of a 3 sack of rice is are 105 kilogram. The weight of a 3 table is are 3 kg. Okay, and the total weight of this thing is what? 105 and a 30 kilogram is equals to 135 kg. It means that your correct answer is what? So if they are removed a 3 sack of rice and the 3 tables, then the weight become the 700 kilogram. So all the example is based on your only you have to using the addition and subtraction of the kilogram and gram, and the thing is are given to you and the number of atoms are given to you using the simple multiplication. Okay, and the question is also given to you, so please read the question and solve the example. It's a very so simple example. Hope so everyone student understood the concept regarding your addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Is all the example is based on the only kilogram and gram, because the unit is are given to you in the form of kilogram. It means that we have to using only kilogram. Okay, and the next topic will start from the next obvious video, and have a nice day.